Welcome to The Future of Buildings, a fascinating look at architecture in 2050. In this video, from the Taoyuan Museum in Taiwan, we will take a closer look at the Västerås Roofscape in Sweden, the Liberland Metaverse City, and the Chongqing Cuntan Cruise Terminal in China. We will also explore the Droneport UAE GAS Architectures, the State and Lake Elevated Station in Chicago, and the Pujiang Peaks Civic Center in China, and see how these buildings are designed to meet the needs of modern society while being environmentally conscious. Taoyuan Museum. MVRDV's proposal for the Taoyuan Museum of Art in Taiwan is an exciting and innovative design that promises to give the region a much-needed sense of identity and character. MVRDV's design for the 29,000 square meter museum, which was developed alongside JJP architects and planners and Topotech One, is inspired by the peach flower, Taoyuan symbol. The design features circular configurations that avoid edges and create accessibility. The pinkish aluminum facades add to the distinctive character of the site, while roof terraces with cherry trees add to the green qualities of the surrounding park. The museum, located in the pink zone, comprises a series of human-scale buildings that are interconnected, creating pathways that open up the program. The design is not only visually stunning, but it also creates a cultural destination that turns the area into a kind of cherry room for the city. The museum will become a new identity for the park, with flower-like figures appearing in the park and forming a new identity for the area. Although the competition was eventually won by another firm, MVRDV's proposal is still an impressive design that showcases their innovative approach to architecture and urban planning. Västerås Roofscape. The Västerås Travel Center, designed by Bjarke Ingels Group, is set to become a new landmark for one of Sweden's largest cities, bringing together multiple travel modes within one cohesive architectural object. The project's defining feature is a light, undulating roofscape that will cover the complex elements of the program, creating a new transport hub for the city. The roof will feature an integrated solar system, potentially providing for almost 70% of the building's energy demand. Additionally, the design will incorporate floor heating and cooling and rainwater recycling. The project is the result of a long development process, taking into account numerous possible solutions regarding the program, the sustainability features, and security aspects. Construction is scheduled to begin in 2022, with the project expected to be completed by 2025. This innovative project showcases the potential of sustainable design and will undoubtedly have a positive impact on the city's transportation infrastructure. Liberland Metaverse City. Zaha Hadid Architects has created a virtual city called Liberland Metaverse, where people can buy land with cryptocurrency and enter digital buildings as avatars. The virtual city is based on the Free Republic of Liberland, according to Patrick Schumacher, principal at Zaha Hadid Architects. The ambition is for it to become the go-to site for networking and collaboration within the burgeoning Web 3.0 industry. It's the metaverse for metaverse developers and the crypto ecosystem at large. The virtual city features buildings including a city hall, plaza, and exhibition center. The city hall, which is the city's central urban heart, has a terrace walkway that wraps around the building. Inside, benches are arranged in a horseshoe configuration, and the Liberland flag can be seen hanging on the wall. The virtual campus will serve as a networking hub for crypto projects, companies, and events. Liberland Metaverse is accessible through Metaverse, a cloud-based platform that creates 3D environments. People can also buy plots of land in the virtual city and set up businesses, giving them a stake in the physical Liberland. As the website explains, the virtual campus, which is surrounded by water, will be used as a networking hub for crypto projects, crypto companies, and crypto events. The creation of Liberland Metaverse showcases the potential of virtual reality and its role in shaping the future of architecture and urban planning. It also highlights the growing interest in cryptocurrency and its impact on the global economy. This innovative project is a testament to the power of technology and its ability to transform the built environment. Chongqing Cuntan Cruise Terminal. MAD Architects and the China Academy of Building Research have won an international competition to design the Cuntan International Cruise Center in Chongqing, China. The project site covers 66,000 sqm in Chongqing's Lianjiangnu area, which has direct access to the Yangtze River. The scheme, titled the Yangtze River Skywalk, is a 430-meter-long complex made of 6 separate and interconnected buildings. The building's aluminum curtain wall gives the parlor, shops, and restaurants a contemporary and surreal impression. Beneath the floating-like building complex sits a new cruise ship landscape park and cruise ship hall, designed to extend the Cuntan's central golden axis pier. Chongqing has mountains and waters. However, the Yangtze River is more than just a natural landscape in Chongqing. Because of human activities such as shipping traffic and industrial transport, this mountain city is also full of energy and movement. We want to transform this energy in Chongqing from traces of industry into an energy that stimulates the imagination. People can feel the kinetic energy of the city here, but also imagine the public spaces of the future, said Ma Yensong, founder of MAD Architects. The team's design proposal reflected the industrial colors of the large orange gantry cranes that were installed across the freight terminal. The Yangtze River Skywalk is set to become a new landmark for Chongqing, showcasing the potential of industrial-inspired design and its ability to transform the built environment. Droneport UAE GAS Architectures. GAS Architectures has designed a concept for a drone port in the United Arab Emirates, inspired by the sand dunes that surround it. The drone port's strategic location allows for efficient air communication between cities, making it an ideal hub for commercial exchange, delivery companies, tourism, and private and public drones. The program includes a boarding area, 2 departure pads, 3 arrival pads, 16 parking positions, a control tower, and a solar panel farm to supply the electric facilities. The network of points located between cities can be connected within 15 minutes of drone flight, with minimal environmental impacts on the surrounding areas. The sand dunes are the inspiration for the silhouette of the drone port, camouflaging its shape among the landscape with a strategic location for the air communication network between cities, said German Sandoval, the principal architect at GAS Architectures. The drone port is an innovative solution to the growing demand for air transport infrastructure, which is gaining traction in the communication sector. The drone port's design takes advantage of the sky to reduce time and cost, as well as optimize mobility, contributing to the country's economic growth and cultural diversity. Chicago State Lake, L Station. Chicago State Lake, L Station, which opened in 1895, the station is among the oldest and busiest in the city's downtown area, serving multiple lines of the Chicago Transit Authority's rapid transit network. In 2019, it was the second busiest station in the entire CTA network with 3.7 million riders per year. The redesign will be headed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, with the station to be encased in a glass canopy and its passenger platforms doubled in width. There will also be a flyover connection bridge, elevators to provide access to the elevated lines, and street-level improvements to enhance pedestrian safety and comfort. Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot stated that the modernization was necessary to make the station easily accessible for all transit riders. The expansive glass canopy, which will allow in daylight while shielding passengers from the elements, is designed to expand views of the inner loop and connect passengers with the historic State Street area. Scott Duncan, as SON design partner, said that the new station would be a gateway to downtown for Chicagoans and visitors alike, featuring comfortable spaces for passengers and fully integrated accessible design for riders of all mobility levels. Pujiang Peaks Civic Center. Henning Larsen has unveiled its winning proposal for the Pujiang International Convention Center in China, which features a circular structure with an urban park at its center. The project was one of the winners of an international competition that included designs by MVRDV, Zaha Hadid Architects, GMP Architects, and Swooting Architects. The shape of the building is symbolic and also facilitates natural ventilation. The project incorporates sustainable design strategies to achieve carbon neutrality and zero water consumption, create a pleasant microclimate, and increase sustainable mobility and green infrastructure. According to the design team, the project is an opportunity to define zero-carbon living and to create affordable and efficient sustainable buildings. The surrounding buildings are porous and are arranged according to traditional urban fabric, while a civic center at the southeast edge of the site links the development to the surrounding cityscape. The ecological park at the center of the project features water purification systems, diverse flora and fauna, and various scientific education elements. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Build Bright, for more inspiring content like this. Thank you for watching.